Willkommen Sie zurück. Jetzt eine sehr frischen guten Morgen, meine lieben Schüler. Wie geht's dir? Before I will begin with the video today, I have few points to cover. Point number 1 is, again I am getting this in my comments on YouTube where to do the work. My dear students, if you have your new register or a new notebook, you can do your work on that. Point number 2 is, whatever I am doing in Erbyte's book, in my videos, you don't need to do that work in your notebook, because if you are not having Erbyte's book, you can do your work on a pen page, or you can do your work even in rough notebook, but keep those records properly or safely along with you, right? Once your school will be reopened, you can purchase a new set of book and then you can note down the same. Point number 3, whatever I am doing in my videos should be there, or should be done somewhere. You should have a proper record for the same, because you will have a lot of burden once your school will be reopened. Point number 4, please subscribe the channel, share the video, and please hit the like button below. So now let's begin with the video. And in today's video I am going to start with the second chapter, which is Indian heute ein Blick, which means today's view, a view of today's India. In this you can see there is one paragraph, right? You can see in the video only there are two friends. One of them is Petra and another one is Anita. Anita is Indian and Petra is a Deutschen, which means she is from Germany and Anita is from India. So in this paragraph, Anita is writing a letter to her friend Petra, right? And Anita is describing the situation of India, and later she will be asking the situation of Germany. In the last of this video, you will be getting a translation of this whole paragraph. Along with the same, you will also get the vocabulary, the difficult words from the paragraph, and those difficult words you have to note down in your German notebook, which is very important, or on a pen page, right? Because whenever you will read this paragraph, there are so many difficult words in the paragraph. Like in the second line only you have some words, House of Gaben, Prüfungen, Wissen. So you should have a record of all these words. Along with the same, we will be doing the question answer, but before that let me explain the whole paragraph in English. So the translation of the paragraph is, Dear Petra, how are you? Every day's life offers nothing new. Every day the same school, the same homework and the exams. But as you know, this is all very important for our future. In India, almost all the girls are working. They study, they learn, and they also work in offices. Then the next line is, they want to live independently. Sometimes they also shift far from their house and they live in another cities with their friends and their colleagues. The parents now admit that the children have their own life and they can exist without them. Today's youth choose the spouse themselves and nobody speaks unfriendly about it. How about you? Do Germans get married at all, or they just live with their partners? Then question number 1 is, wer schreibt den Brief, which means who is writing this letter. So as you can see in the picture only that the letter is written by Anita. It is written in the last, Deine Anita, right? So answer number 1 is, Anita schreibt den Brief. Answer number 2, was macht man, wenn man berufstätig sein will, which means what does a man do when one want to work? So answer will be, Sie studieren, erlernen und arbeiten in das Büro. If one want to work, first they have to study, they learn for a particular profession, and then only they can work in particular or different office, right? Point number 3, wie wollen die modernen Mädchen leben, which means how the modern girls want to live. The modern girls want to live independently. They don't want to depend on anybody else. Like, so the answer will be Sie wollen auch selbstständig und unabhängig leben. Point number 4. Wer sucht jetzt einen Ehepartner für der heutige Jugend, which means who search a life partner for today's use. Heutige Jugend, which means who search a life partner for today's use. Today's youth. So answer is die heutige Jugend sucht sich den Ehepartner selber, which means they look for their partner themselves. And the last point, wie reagieren die Leute, which means what are the reactions of the people. So the reactions of the people are nowadays very common. Die Leute spricht keiner unfreundlich darüber. So this is all for today. Please note down the same in your new registers or even on a pin page. And please stay home, stay safe, avoid going outside, and please take all the precautions which are discussed or which are given by the government of India. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.